Welcome back, and in this video I'll show you the TV Boss Fire platform with all the settings and options that you can access and use. After you log in, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard. Here you can see an overview of your account, the number of channels you can build and the number of users that you can add if you have the agency license, which is something very exciting. I'm logged in as an agency user right now, but depending on your licensing level you can access all of the options in the menu or only part of them. In the top right corner you can access your account settings. The first tab is your profile, where you can change your email, name and password. Please do that only if necessary, as your email is connected to your purchase and can cause synchronization problems if you change it. Next is the settings tab. This will be available for the agency users with the white label upgrade, and from here you can add your branding and customize the TV Boss Fire platform to fit your branding. The first item in the menu is My Channels tab. You can add new channels, edit existing channels, or assign them to your customers if you have the agency license. Now, to start a new channel, click the plus sign on the right side of your screen to fill in the required data. To guide you through the whole process, we already preloaded some dummy data, and if you hover over any field, you can see a short tooltip message that will tell you what should go inside there. Also, you can always click on the question mark, which will lead you to a page with a description of that field. The second tab is the Tutorials tab. In the Tutorials tab you can see all of the video tutorials that we have now and all of the videos that we will add later and in the future. The Users tab is only for agency users here. An agency level user can add a client and assign a channel to the respective client. The next tab is the Bonus tab. Here you can access all of the bonuses that we have to offer. From the Download tab you can download our apps for Mac, Linux and Windows, and for now, a little bit later, Android and iOS will be coming. Now the Done For You services button will lead you to our Done For You offers. These are services that we provide for those who don't have the time or don't want to deal with the technical aspects of building and publishing a TV channel. In the bottom right corner of every page you can find our live support chat, where our agents are ready for you 24/7 to assist. Now please use the Facebook group if you wish to find people to brainstorm with or have any questions that you may want to ask as well. Join us there and feel free to ask others what they did and how they did it with their channels, such as what type of monetization strategies they use. To join, follow the link below this video.